Hey, what's up guys, this is everybody from 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞 back with another video, and today I will show you an iPhone feature that's very helpful for you. iPhone has a lot of useful features and most of them will become even more useful when you combine them with other features of iOS, and one of them is assistive touch. Now from assistive touch you can directly launch any app that you like. How amazing is that? And not only one, you can launch multiple apps from here. So before I show you how you can do that, just subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from us in the future, and it will also help our channel to grow. So to use this feature you need to enable assistive touch if you haven't. So go to the settings, scroll down to accessibility, tap on touch, and here tap on assistive touch and enable it. And you can see here that the apps that I use within assistive touch are here. Tap on customize top level and here you can add or remove app from the list. So I will show you by adding one app over here and you will get the idea how to use it. So we will need an help of a shortcut app. So let's go to the shortcut and create a new shortcut over here. You can name it whatever you want. I will add WhatsApp. So I will just type here WhatsApp. Now tap on action. Here tap on scripting and just tap on open app and choose the app that you want to open. So let's select WhatsApp over here and you are done with the shortcut app. You can see here that the WhatsApp shortcut is created. Now again go back to the assistive touch and add an icon over here. Now tap on it and just scroll down at the bottom and you will get your app that you have created on your shortcuts. So just tap on it and it's done and you are good to go. Now you can open WhatsApp from assistive touch just like that. That's how you can add whichever app you want, and not from home screen, but this works from lock screen also. It's very fast and very helpful feature. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. So go ahead, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.